The spread of coronavirus affects us all.
It has changed our daily lives. It brings uncertainties such as
can we still buy fresh food every day?
Growers, distributors, and many others in the food chain
are working hard to guarantee there is enough food available.
That deserves a lot of respect.
Vegetable seeds are at the very start of food chain.
And we realize now more than ever
that we have an important role to play
in keeping the food chain running.
That's why our 3,000 colleagues worldwide
they are doing their utmost to ensure a continued supply of seeds.
We are trying to adapt our service
to the current situation as much as possible.
That means being creative,
finding safe ways to interact with our customers,
and sometimes this brings us even closer together.
Whether you are a grower of lettuce in Brazil,
spinach in US, peppers in China,
tomatoes in the Netherlands,
or whether you're processing vegetables for the food industry
or selling fresh vegetables in your shop or elsewhere,
you are all an essential link in the food supply chain every day.
Together, we can overcome this challenge.